I'm gonna make some corn tortillas again. I've done this already many times, but you're gonna watch me do it because you watch my TikToks and my YouTubes, right? Right? Okay. Now my corn tortillas I do in a stand mixer because I don't do that stuff by hand because fuck that shit. This is called instant corn masa. This is by a company called Macienda. Really love this company. This is already ready to go. We just add water to it and mix it. Some salt, good to go. If you want to go the whole like stone ground route where you cook your own corn, thank you to Kyle. Tag right here, Kyle goes off. Thank you very much for sending me this. I've done videos on this in the past. This is the easiest route. I usually add hot water, make them softer, speed up the process. Salt. This is what we should be left with. Not too dry, not too wet. If you press it between your hands, it should also be able to come right off. Covered with a towel so it doesn't dry out. I usually take a Ziploc baggie like this, cut it, and I'm left with this. This is the perfect way to use it. I usually just use a portion scoop, make my life easier. Plastic down, ball down, plastic on top, little squishy squish. There you go, tortilla. There we have corn tortillas. Good little gluten-free option, right? But no, these are my favorite. And some acooknamedMatt flaky salt. Here's what my grandma does for me since I was a kid. Salt on there, start on one end, and then roll it up. That's childhood right there, dude. Okay, and this one,